Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And start your preparation from today onwards with confidence. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list. And tomorrow is day 5, so let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. As usual, early in morning, revise all basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values, formulas, etc. So on daily basis, revise all basics of each subject, and don't forget to revise basics of each subject. And after that, give 1 hour for reading daily current affairs. And who are beginners, they can prefer from Adda 247 or Grade Up. And who are already preparing, they can prefer from Affairs Cloud or Study IQ. So on daily basis, read daily current affairs. And after that, give 1 hour for watching editorial video. And there is a live class from Adda YouTube channel by Santosh sir. So on daily basis, watch an editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel. And after that, attempt a clerk prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze your weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas and make timetable according to your weak areas for the next day preparation. And after that, give 1 hour for each subject of practicing quant and reasoning. So tomorrow for quant section of pre-level, watch basic level videos for the topic of quadratic equations. We have so many YouTube channels, so watch basic level videos for quadratic equations. And also for reasoning pre-level, tomorrow watch basic level videos for syllogisms, and we have many YouTube channels for the topic of syllogisms. So tomorrow for reasoning pre-level, watch basic level videos for syllogisms. And in afternoon, who are beginners, they repeat the morning schedule like practicing PDFs or attempting quizzes for your weak areas where you are lacking. And we have many free PDFs and quizzes from many apps. So who are beginners, they all use all those PDFs for your pre-level, and those are very helpful for our pre-level exams. So use all those PDFs and attempt quizzes. And who are preparing for mains, tomorrow for quant mains, watch basic level to high level videos for the topic of data sufficiency. And for reasoning mains, watch basic level to high level videos for the topic of critical reasoning from any YouTube channel. And for English mains, watch basic level to high level videos of parajumble topic. So tomorrow watch all those videos for our mains preparation. And after that, give 1 hour for each reading banking awareness and computer awareness. And for banking awareness, from 2 days we are reading Indian economy topic, and there is a multiple choice questions for the topic of Indian economy. So tomorrow attempt all those multiple choice questions for the topic of Indian economy. And for computer awareness also, there is a multiple choice questions for the topic of introduction of computer. So tomorrow practice all multiple choice questions for computer awareness and banking awareness. And then in evening also, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And we completed April first week current affairs. So tomorrow read April second week current affairs from one of your source. And after that, attempt a PO prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze your weak areas where you are lacking, and make timetable according to your weak areas for the next day preparation. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. And also I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in our Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra, and I will provide that link in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and latest updates. And thank you.